How do you film your screen with programs from Google? Find in Google Screen O Matic program. Free screen recorder, that's what you need. You can also press on login. You enter your full screen recorder. You have to log in. Pay attention. You log in or sign up only with your school email. I will sign in with Google. I will choose my school email. And you have this screen. What you have to do is to press on the video camera. I have already done that. Choose the area you want to shoot, you want to film, and start your presentation. It will look like this. Here's my presentation I want to speak about. I press on presentation. I press on my the screen here, slideshow, and I have full screen presentation, and I now can speak about it. How would you look for answers to your questions? Conduct an academic research project, and so on and so on. The moment you finish your presentation, you just escape from full screen and stop recording. Good luck.